Steve, I got something. I got something. Got a big one. Big one.
Look at
Oh, shut up.
That's how you met him.
I don't know. Is he 18? Spinning rod. That was fun. Stop Cinco fish. Okay, he took it and took off running. I didn't. I know. Number 34, right?
Yeah.
Come on, be 18. Yes, 18. 18 and 3/4. Yeah! That's what we need. Yeah, I think it might be that green one. Hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Come on. I'm not that impressed with this scale. I don't know what the hell it's doing. Throw her in. I don't know. It's oh, there we go. Okay, finally. Okay, calm down. Stupid. There. 3/4. Yeah, that's bigger than that one. I know it is. What else we got in there? I think that's the smallest one, don't you? Now we're almost getting all 3-pounders. We got one more, I think. That's a pretty good one there. I'll weigh these two. No way. Well, hang on. Dang it. This one's bigger, I can tell you that already. 2.9. Oh, hang on. Got to get the clear at first. That's a different color one, isn't it? 3-pounder. I think we got all 3-pounders.
Pretty close now.
How many we got in there? We better make sure we have 5.
We do.
What's this one back here? Oh, she's a big one, didn't she? Oh, she gets her own room. There we go. Okay, back to work. Ugh.